Welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at a function under differential calculus. Now, the idea of function of a function is multiplication, comparing two functions together and then multiplying them to get their differential result. Now, we have this question on the board that says find the derivative of the following. So we have A is y equals to sine 2x and B y equals to cos 3x. Now, let's solve this first question. A, I have y equals to sine 2x. Now what we're going to do is this, we're going to take 2x, we're going to take 2x to be a particular term. We can call it u or call it any other alphabet, but we can't call it x or y because we already have x and y here. So we can decide to call this u. So let u is equal to 2x. So what we're going to do, we're going to differentiate u with respect to this x. So we're going to have du over dx is going to give us differentiation of 2x. In our previous videos, we showed how to do this. This is the same thing as the coefficient of x here. I mean, the power of x here is 1. So 1 times the coefficient of x, which is 2, multiplied by the x. And then the power here is 1, reduced by 1. So we have du over dx is the same thing as 2. 1 times 2 is 2. X raised to the power of 0 is the same thing as 1. So this is what our answer for this one is going to be. This is what I mean. 1 times 2 times x. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times x raised to the power of 0 is going to give us 2 times x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So the differentiation of 2x is the same thing as 2. So if that is what it is, so if we say let 2x be the same thing as u, so we can also say that therefore y is the same thing as sine u. So we no longer have 2x. So what we're going to do, we're going to differentiate is going to be dy du. dy du is going to be differentiation of sine x or sine. Differentiation of sine is cos. So we have sine u is the same thing are going to become the same thing as the same thing as cos u, going to become cos u. So this is what we have. So uh, after doing this, we're now going to say therefore dy dx is going to be equal to dy dx will be equal to this result, this one multiplied by this. It's going to be du dx times dy du. So it's going to be equal to dy over dx equals, what's the answer to this one? Du dx is the same thing as 2 times dy du is the same thing as cos u. So dy rather dx is going to be equal to 2 times cos u. But our u is the same thing as 2x. 2x. So we're going to have the y over the x is going to be equal to 2 cos 2x. And this is the answer to this question. Now, let's look at our second question, y. So we have b. b is y is equals to 3x. Sorry, y is equals to cos 3x. So the same thing, let u equals to 3x. So we're going to have du dx is going to be the same thing as 3. That's the way we did this one. So we're now going to have, therefore y is going to be equal to cos u. So dy du is going to be cos u. Differentiation of cos is minus sine. So sine u. So we're now going to have, therefore dy dx is going to become du dx times dy du. So dy over dx is the same thing as this for this 3 times this is this minus sine u. So have dy over dx is equal to minus, if you multiply this 3 times minus this minus 3 sine u is the same thing as 3x. So just write 3x. This is our solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share our videos to other people, and also like them. Thank you.